Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zain Ashraf Mughal. Super Asia has been serving Pakistan with a legacy of sustainability, durability, quality, innovation, and latest technology. We have always been on the forefront of reducing carbon footprint in Pakistan. The reason why we chose DSG was that they were one of them who has the most experience with dome roof solar paneling. That's why we chose DSG, and they were very efficient in doing what they were supposed to do. Throughout the process, our engineering team was very deeply involved. They found them very credible and efficient in what they had promised to us. As you know that electricity bills are rising a lot. By installing these, we have reduced about 30 to 40% of our electricity consumption. I think it is a great initiative that every industry should take it.